What's up, guys? Alright, so today we are reviewing Beyond Meat's Beyond Burger 2.0. Now, why did they create a 2.0? We've tried the Beyond Burger before, and it seems like they wanted to address the two main issues, which were they wanted to make it more meatier, and they also wanted to address that interesting smell. Now, when you go into the store, the easiest way to know that you're picking up the 2.0 is you will see right here it says now even meatier, and you will also see on the patty that it will have those little marble looking pieces, which I believe is cocoa butter.
Yeah, cocoa butter.
Yeah, so that's how you know it's the 2.0. And just like the 1.0, the 2.0 is also soy-free, gluten-free, and non-GMO.
All right, let's show the ingredients, then head inside.
All right, ingredients. Got your nutrition facts and ingredients. All right, so it's dinner time. I'm hungry. Let's go ahead inside and cook this baby up.
Let's cook this baby up.
Let's go. All right, so first things first, let me show you guys what it looks like when you first take it out the package. All right, let's go ahead and open this up.
Hold on, let me pull back for that ultimate smell test. He's opening it.
It's a little harder to open.
Oh, then the last one, right?
The last one. So I got that smell though.
Oh, you can already smell it?
I can already smell it. Yeah, I still have that. I mean, it like hits you when you open it and then it goes away. So.
Okay.
Let me smell it. Good though. Kind of missed that.
Oh my gosh.
All right, so it still got the smell, but
yeah, I don't know, man. We asked people on Instagram.
Yeah.
Follow us on Instagram.
Follow us on Instagram right here.
We asked people on Instagram what they thought, and a lot of people, I feel like it was half and half, right?
Half and half were like, oh, I don't smell it anymore. The other half was like, yeah, I still got that smell. Still got that smell badge.
Yeah, we got that badge. All right, let's get it on the stove,
let's get that on the stove. Let's cook it up. All right, so when we cook it up, we don't usually put any oil in the pot. We just basically just plop it out and just put it right in the pot there. And we usually cook it frozen, but since it's fresh right now, it's been thawed. I'm gonna do it on half heat.
How long?
I believe the box says 5 minutes on each side. Let me see. 4 minutes per side. And so all I'm gonna do right now is I'm just gonna cover it for 4 minutes, come back, flip it, another 4 minutes. All right, so I did the 4 minutes on this side. And now 4 minutes on this side.
It's looking very burgerish.
Yeah,
it still
looking
smells
like a burger.
Yeah, it still smells weird, but definitely looks more burgerish than the last.
It does.
Remember?
It does.
Yeah.
It's less red.
Yeah.
All right, so another 4 minutes, and then we should be good to go. So before we get into this taste test, I did add a little bit of num num sauce.
Yeah.
See that?
Yeah, we can.
All
we
right.
see the num num.
If you if you don't know what num num sauce is, go ahead and check out this video right here.
Yeah.
We used it on the best vegan breakfast sandwich that you'll ever try.
Yum.
Check that video out. I'm actually thinking about that sandwich right now. Anyway,
it gives them a nice chance to get to know us if this is their first time. Yeah.
Yeah, it gives you guys a good chance to see what we're all about. Also, if you're new here, subscribe.
Yeah.
And hit that like button.
Yeah.
Yeah. But if you like it, just hit that like button, man.
Yeah.
And subscribe, man.
Subscribe.
We're not new to Beyond. We've done Beyond reviews for the burger when it first came out.
Yeah, we'll put them up here, and we'll also put it down in the description box. We did it for my birthday.
Yeah, for the birthday. Chris also made a meatloaf with it.
Oh yeah, people have come back and said that meatloaf was kind of popping.
We also tried Beyond Meat in the Del Taco, so we've definitely had our fair share of Beyond Meat. So this should be interesting. Also, one more thing, Beyond is also available across New York and all Dunkin' Donuts.
Yes.
Breakfast sausage.
Yes, it's a breakfast sausage sandwich. So just research and see how you can have that.
If you're from New York, go ahead and check that out.
Yeah, and there's a lot of noise going on right now. We have 6 kids. Check out what our 6 kids eat right here.
All right, let's try this bad boy out.
The time has come.
It tastes like a cookout.
That's an endorsement.
I did leave it a little longer, so it got a little charred on the top.
We've actually been wishing that the Beyond would give us that charred taste, and it's never happened. It's always kind of remained soft. Let me see a nice close-up. Okay, and that's what it looks like close-up on the
It looks like an
inside.
actual burger.
Yeah, that's not how the Beyond 1.0 used to look.
No, not at all. I'm actually starting to suspect that this is the same meat that they used for the Beyond Beef package.
Oh, that we use for the meatloaf. Because it pretty much tastes the same. Okay.
This is delicious as hell, though.
Is it better?
It's
Would you say?
way better.
Okay.
Way better.
All right. All right. So, okay, where's the rankings? You know, people want to know the rankings. We got Impossible. We got Beyond 2.0, Beyond 1.0.
Morningstar is number 1.
Morningstar still number 1.
Yeah, because there's no weird smell.
Check out the Morningstar. Check out our Morningstar video right there. We said Morningstar is the number 1 vegan burger on the market.
That's still the best because there's no weird smell to that. It tastes
delicious.
Just like a burger.
Yeah.
That
just beat out Impossible.
This beat out Impossible, man.
Even Impossible at its best. Like when we fix it up with our caramelized onions and our mushrooms, that's still better. Let me taste a bite of that. I gotta taste a bite.
It doesn't have a weird taste to it.
Oh wow.
Right?
That's shockingly good. I gotta say, that is 10 times better.
With the 1.0, you can still kind of taste that it's a Beyond burger, and it kind of tastes like a really good turkey burger.
Yeah.
This right here, though?
That is better.
Yeah, did your thing. It's still gonna work on the smell, though. Still gotta work on the smell, but the taste?
I'm actually really shocked. I was not, guys, I wasn't even planning to have it. I'm not the hugest fan of Beyond burgers. Right. I'm a Morningstar person, but that was really good.
One more thing. With the 1.0, I couldn't finish a burger by itself. I used to have to cut it in half down the middle.
Because it was super oily.
Super oily.
Fall apart.
Whatever fillers they used to put in there, it just used to be too filling to the point where you feel kind of weird and bloated. Yeah. That's right, I'm about to finish it. Wow. And I don't feel weird. I don't feel full. Yeah. I'm not getting to some kind of weird threshold. Like, yeah. I really like this, man. Yeah, that's way better than the first one. If you like Beyond, you're probably gonna like how this tastes. They really did their thing on that. I'm not gonna lie, like that was really good. I'm still a Morningstar girl, but but that's good. Morningstar's still number 1. Yeah, I can't, especially for the price and for the you know, the lack of that smell. Yeah, it's still number 1, but this is a very close number 2 because of the flavor, man. Nice work. Nice work, Beyond. You literally going all the way back. Oh, we didn't put cheese on this. As you can see from the build, I did not put much on it. But if you guys do want some cheese, go ahead and hit the description box. Yes. We have links to stores that you can get all your non-dairy products from. Yes, the best stores. Best stores. And we negotiate. We make sure we have great deals discounts for you guys. Discounts, 25% off, $10 off. That's where all the magic happens, in the description box. In the description box. If you want bacon for this burger too? Oh yeah. Hit that description box. Best vegan bacon on the planet. On the planet. Check out this video right here. Everyone keeps messaging me and DMing me on Instagram telling me, yo, I got my bacon. It was crazy. Go use our coupon code INFINITE. Look right in the description box below. Yes. Bang. Bang, bang. Bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and as always, don't forget to drink your almond milk and zip up your If you like this video, go ahead and click this link right here. It is a very similar video to this one. You will enjoy it. Go ahead and click it.
Click it.
Click it.
Click it.
Click it.
Yum.
Click it.
Click it.
Click it.
Yum.
Click it.
Yum.
Click it.
Uh-oh, he's getting out of the frame. Out of the frame.